This is my second version of the client record book for lash artists. I have gotten plenty of feedback based off of what's needed in this, so I've been able to adjust it just a bit. So I wanted to do a new video for you. Today we will be editing within a editing app. And so this is what you get when you purchase one from me. This is going to be the cover, and we're going to go ahead and head into the second page, which is the nice cover page. This is where you can actually add in your company name. You can type it up, you can write it, whatever you feel like. So for instance, depending on the app that you're in, you're going to go ahead and open up that little toolbar that's going to allow you to either type or write out your company name. Okay. Lash Company Co. Let's say that's my business name. We're just going to throw that up right there, make that a little cuter. Okay, Lash Company Co. There's my business name. I'm all good. Now, this is the home page. Anytime you click home, it's going to lead you back to this page here. Then your first goal is then to start really listing all of your clients in your record book. So last time we did Taylor Swift. Let's have some fun today. Let's do Megan Fox. So Megan Fox's last name is Fox. We want to go to the F. Okay, so now we've got the F. And if you also feel like, oh my gosh, I feel like those tabs are really small, you can actually, click F, and that'll expand. You'll be able to go to F. And so if you're needing to use your fingers, it's totally fine. So let's go ahead and add Megan's information. So again, depending on if you like to use, writing, if you like to write things or if you like to type. I prefer to type because I have really bad handwriting. So we'll go ahead and type out Megan's name. Okay. See that? That's probably the neatest it's going to go. If you want to write it out, I'll show you how to do that as well. You can actually choose a pen style. So you can do ball, fountain pen, or brush. I prefer ball, to be honest. And let's go a little thinner than this. And we're just going to go ahead and write her details in. Again, if you have much better handwriting than me, this will go a lot smoother. We can throw in some highlights too. Maybe we want to highlight that Megan pink, but this Megan's a different Megan, so we're going to do a little bit of a darker pink. Let's go a little darker than that, actually. Right. So there's lots of fun stuff you can really do with this to make it cute. But either way, let's get rid of that. Okay, so now that I've shown you this, we're going to go ahead and get out of the editor so that we can then make all the links clickable again, and we're going to go to Megan's section. So now that we've assigned one of these tabs to Megan, we're going to go to her section, and look, we have this beautiful client record that comes up. Now, what's new, what I've added, is a before and after section. So not only can you add her lash design so you remember, what you did, but you can actually go to her consent form. You can have her sign all her information. So if this was Megan, you would tell Megan, hey, Megan, I need you to go ahead and sign your stuff really quick. So Megan would go, oh my gosh, sounds good. So, sounds good. So I'll go ahead and write up Megan Fox, agree to have eyelash extensions applied to my natural eyelashes or removed by, and then we're going to go ahead and put your name. So mine would be Erika, right? And then by signing this, I consent to the placement. So we're going to go ahead and just, who reads this stuff, right? I'm just kidding. Make sure they read. But if this was Megan, she would initial, right? and then move her over right over here to the second page. So she's also informing us of any conditions. So if she has contact lenses, you know, if she's using sunscreen, eye drops, let's say that she's, you know, got allergies, or maybe she has a history of dry eyes. So she's got two things she's got to inform us about. Now we know. So I agree to follow these instructions. So no waterproof mascara, no blah, blah, blah. So Megan understands as you're talking to her. So you're stating to Megan, look, Megan, this is going to be awesome. Go ahead and sign here. Make sure you're not using waterproof mascara. Make sure you're not using your oil-based products. Make sure, you know, no water comes into contact with your eyelash extensions after, so on and so forth. And then Megan understands that there's no refunds, right? But you're willing to fix any problems that she has. And then she's going to just go ahead and sign, right? So, and Megan is good to go. So now you've got Megan's beautiful consent form that stays current, okay? So we're good to go there. So once you've got that done, we're just going to go ahead and head back to Megan's information. So we're going to get out of here and make sure that we can click stuff again. Let's head back over to Megan. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to fill out her service record since we'll be seeing her today. Everything is all good. So let's just say today is 1/1/23. It's not, but this is for sake of example. Her set type is going to be volume. So now you've got a service record for her. So now you know next time on 2/1/23, you know that she's also going to need a fill. So we'll do volume, full set or something, and then fill, and so on and so forth. Now let's head back to her information. And now we want to fill out her client records. So let's expand this to make it easier on us. Let's head over. Again, you can type or write, whatever you prefer. For sake of example, I'm going to be writing today. So let's do this. Perfect. Okay. So let's say her birthday is like 6/5. I don't even know her birthday. 88. 333. Megan at emergency contact. I know they're broken up, but we'll do MGK. And then medical conditions. She doesn't have any conditions. We said she had allergies, so we'll just say like asthma or something. I don't know. Let's say she's a first timer, right? And then what's really cool is you can actually get pictures. So you can actually go here to get your pictures, and you can do like add in like a before and after. Same reason why you do before and afters. Well, one, you want to showcase them on your Instagram. Two, it's just good for any kind of like issues that may come about. You know, if maybe she had a previous issue, but you still lashed her anyway, it shows that you were not responsible for it, right? So there's a lot of things that are good. It's good for you to get pictures, and you having your iPad, it's really great to just take a quick picture and then add it to the before and after. You know, I wouldn't do it with her. I would just do it like later on. But yeah, and then you can actually be even more detailed about the extension design that we threw in the service records. So you can explain like what the good, you know, what she prefers. But yeah, so this is the new service record, and you know, these are really cool because you can actually, you know, write out what you did. So I don't even know what I'm doing here, but I know how you guys like to do this where you add in like the numbers, right? So that's something that you can do, you know, write out how thick it got, that kind of a thing. There's so many things you can do here. Okay, so let's say we want to add in this image of Megan as the before. And let's say that we want to add this image of Megan as the after. Let's crop this baby. Okay. And these are obviously, you know, just images of her, so they're not going to be super clear. But yeah, this is all you do, see? But yeah, so now we've got our nice before and after. We've got our information. You know, we have our service record and consent form, and that's it. And also, too, if you want to be able to just go back from the service record, these pages are directly after. You don't have to use links and stuff. You can literally just slide, and it'll go back to her client record page. Okay, so sliding will take you to the policy page, and then sliding again will take you to the service record, and then you'll head on into the next person. But I'll be updating these more, of course. And if you have like any recommendations, if there's something I missed, if you're like, oh man, I really wish it had this, let me know, because I'm always trying to make these better. So with that, again, subscribe, and we will see you on our next video.